beginning. Just look. Started yesterday, which was February 25th, 2015. Sorry about that. At 10 p.m. Now today is February 26th, 2015. Time it is. And the snow is not supposed to end until like 4 p.m. This is our second snowstorm we've gotten in February. The second one. Okay, guys, I just wanted to do this because I'm pretty sure this has been like I've never been hit by this many snowstorms in just 1 month. 2 snowstorms. 2. Okay, leave a comment. Anybody, if anybody, leave a comment and tell me that if you got something happen like this. It's happening right now. It has happened or is happening right now. Okay? Because, oh my god. Looks like there's not gonna be school for like 2 or 3 days. Okay, see you guys.